Herzlich willkommen bei Virtual Language Freaks. My name is Nicole and I would like to welcome you into the world of the Swiss German language. Are you new in Switzerland or planning to move here soon? Then do not hesitate to get a trial class where you can see how fun and easy it can be to learn the patterns and rules on which the Swiss German language is built on. Our method is based on a learn as if you were a child way, because that's where you will be able to learn with simplicity and a lot of fun. You will not only memorize and program the language into your mind by listening and repeating and being corrected and then putting it into a conversation where you will get to progress within your fluency while we will be chatting as if we were friends, meeting for a coffee. But you will also get to understand the culture, mentality, and traditions of Switzerland. It's very valuable to integrate and become part of this country. Virtual Language Freaks is offering free conversation, pronunciation and spelling error correction, and of course, more deeply and complex prepared conversations based on daily life topics. Ich freue mich auf eure Nachrichten und euch sicher bald sehen bei mir im Kurs. Viele Grüßli, eure Niki.